The Apple iPhone 17 is set to be announced on September 9th, 2025, with pre-orders expected by September 12th and official availability in stores by September 19th across Saudi Arabia. The iPhone 17 will feature Apple's new A19 chip, paired with either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. The display is expected to be around 6.1 to 6.3 inches, using OLED technology with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. For photography, the rear setup is rumored to include a 48-megapixel main camera, supported by a 12-megapixel secondary lens, while the front camera makes a big leap to 24 megapixels, offering sharper selfies and clearer video calls. The phone is expected to carry a 3500 to 3600 mAh battery, with wired fast charging between 20 and 35 watts. Storage options are likely to start at 128 gigabytes, going up to 512 gigabytes. In Saudi Arabia, the standard iPhone 17 is expected to launch at a price starting between 3,400 and 4,200 Saudi riyals, depending on configuration. The device will run on iOS 19 out of the box, bringing Apple's latest software experience to users in the kingdom. This is the Apple iPhone 17 for Saudi Arabia. Powerful performance, improved cameras, and a premium design at a starting price of around 3,500 to 4,000 riyals.